Is your makeup melting off during a long, hot convention day? And do you just not have that $30 to fork over for those fancy setting sprays you see in Sephora? Well then look no further than your wig supplies for the answer. If you use Got To Be Glued hairspray, or really any other heavy hairspray, then you can use that as a setting spray to set your makeup. This trick was started by drag queens who used Aquanet back in the day to set their makeup. Now because hairspray is so full of silicones, it creates a protective layer and really seals everything in. The best part? You get more per bottle and it costs only about $10 depending on the brand that you get. Now this trick is tried and true for me. I got to do a rain room photo shoot where I didn't bring waterproof makeup, and so I just set my entire face with a really good layer of Got To Be Glued hairspray, and my makeup didn't budge at all. So try it out next time you have a long convention day ahead of you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post more tutorials, 2-Minute Tip Tuesdays, and vlogs. And remember, cosplay is all about having fun. Bye!